Now, you have grown Maxwell in stages.
Yes.
You didn't start where you are. You started in your brother's room.
Yes.
You've grown. You have an office. You have a physical presence and a place.
Yeah.
You have built your clientele. You have grown to a school.
Yes.
How have you funded the growth? Because now you have delivery motorbikes. You have very nice branding in terms of packaging. I've seen that.
When it comes to entrepreneurship, it's a matter of priorities. So I prioritize mostly on branding, the ones you've mentioned. I've developed like good networks with the branding guy. So I've really tried my best because I was researching online and then I've seen other people's businesses, how they survived. Others deal with how they relate to their clients, but mine I specialize on branding. So branding comes first for me.
Okay.
And then about the funding, I think the business just grows itself with time. Because as you grow, you get more clients, you get more referrals here and there, and then each and every weekend we are busy. So the capital that comes in is directly pumped into other projects.
Okay.
For example, when I do orders and then when I have the money for the classes, I think of a new thing. So I'm normally not in a comfort zone to where I am. So when I was working from home, when I moved out of my brother's house, I was living in a one-bedroom house. During that time, we were in my main aim was I'm working from here, but I'm saving to a physical location.
Wow.
So during that period of working from my brother's place to my own place now, okay, I had grown from not depending on him to myself, but at the same time, I was thinking of a plan B. Like, I want to be doing this business from home forever. It's growing, the name is growing, I'm getting more orders, more referrals each and every day. So I thought I should get a physical location. So it reached a point during this, it started in 2019 February. So I told myself by December, I would have sourced enough cash because I didn't need much, I just needed the displays, a fridge, and maybe the wallpapers, and I had researched enough, and maybe an extra working space. So I just moved the things from home to now here. It wasn't like over budget. Mostly it was just about the display for the outside, the one that has the logo, the glass displays, the office setup, and the partitioning between the kitchen and the working space and the fridge. So I would say the finances are just pumped directly from the income of the works. The cake business, it has good money by the way. But now it depends the money that you've made. What are you planning?
Wow.
So now I'm not in a comfort zone. I have this place here, but I want to get a different place somewhere, another branch. And the school, I won't want to be confusing my students with staff at the same time. So I want to also get like an institute somewhere for just only training and maybe create more employment opportunities for other people out there.
And why did you choose this location, Bamburi, specifically to start with? Why didn't you start in town? Why did you choose this specific location?
I chose Bamburi because it has grown as a city. Generally, it has grown immensely. So there are most of the clients, by the way, are from Bamburi, from Bamburi area. Most of my clients.
Okay.
So I just thought I should get just a place because where I used to stay was a bit far from the main road.
Okay.
So I also thought I should bring somewhere that's a bit central, that can
Near
be accessed. Yeah, that can be accessed easily by clients just around the place.
All right.
Yeah. So this was quite the best place so far. Yeah, it's easily accessible just alongside the road.
Wow.
Everyone can access it easily when they come in and out.
But I've seen you deliver everywhere.
I deliver
even
everywhere,
in
yes.
town. I've
Yeah,
seen.
yeah.
That's good. That's good. So I wanted to know, as you manage your business, it's critical that you have some techniques to ensure that your operation is good. So what methods probably can you share with us? We learn about how you manage your business. Are there any techniques? Are there any system you put across just to ensure that your operations are better and you? Because I think one of the biggest secret of a success of a business is managing people and managing your own systems. Even managing money, because most people by the way fear starting a business because they think that people will steal the profit from them. So,
well, I would say it just depends on you as a person. For example, me as the CEO of my own company, I've trained my staff the importance of submitting daily sales. The daily sales, they are good and the bad days. but there's a way that you can just balance the sales, and then you just let them know that these sales go directly into pumping stock every week. So it's just a matter of understanding between yourself and your staff. Some other, okay, I would say it's not easy because for others, some get to like steal from the bosses and stuff like that. But for me, it doesn't really happen because it just depends on how you relate to your staff. I've instilled the value of honesty when it comes to business, and I've made them understand this is not a business that's only benefiting me, it's benefiting us as a whole.
Wow.
So when we made this money, it goes directly to stock or it goes directly to branding, so they are aware.
I'm curious to know the challenges you faced coming this far, and also share with the viewers the secrets that you have learned as an entrepreneur, and some of the secrets you have learned and lessons that you can share with them that will help them in business, and for the challenges that you have met and how you were able to overcome them.
You can never be too good enough by the way to everybody. Every entrepreneur should understand that. You know, some people just come to get services from you to just try you as a person, or to just see how you react or see how you behave. So sometimes you can deliver somewhere, someone goes and gives negative reviews, or they're not satisfied, or they have a complaint. It normally happens. When something comes up that I know I'm responsible of, for example, I've made a cake that they didn't want, or I've a bit changed the design. We normally, because when they call in, they're normally so angry, and they're so disappointed, so now they want a way forward. So there's a way you can listen to someone and then you give your version of the story. But if it doesn't make sense to them, you just think of how you're going to make it up to them. That will not affect you as a business person. So either get a refund or just like a redoing of the cake. It has happened a lot. That's the main challenge, of course.
As we finish, Bwana Maxwell, we are very grateful for your time. Now you can speak to your customers. You can tell them where they will find you.
The business is located in Bamburi, opposite Club Meals or Samba. We deal with cakes, birthday cakes, wedding cakes, anniversary cakes, baby shower cakes, basically all types of cakes. And then we do sales every day. We have cupcakes, we have slices. We are about to introduce cookies and buns. We are on Facebook and Instagram. Maxwell's on Facebook page is called Maxwell's Cakes. On Instagram is @Maxwell's_cakes. The number is 0702 147 802. And the email is maxwellscakes@gmail.com. We have delivery services. We have a motorbike and riders that operate around Mombasa area. So delivery charges vary according to the towns involved. So around Bamburi, there are different charges. So you're supposed to place your order at least 48 hours before, and then the delivery services are offered. We also deliver outside Mombasa, by the way. We deliver in Nairobi, in Taita, through G4S services. Orders are made through the page and through the email address and through the numbers, but it's easier when you call and then you place your order at least 48 hours before, and then we'll discuss about the delivery services.
Wow, I can tell you guys that the Maxwell's cake are very unique. You should test. You should have a test, and I don't think you'll stop buying from him. So Bwana Maxwell, asante sana. Thank you for your time. We are very, very grateful for making time to talk to us. And we hope that you will reach where you're going. We're praying that you open more branches everywhere, open an institute, Maxwell's Cake Institute, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you so
Asante
much
sana.
also.
Thank you, thank you. That was the founder of Maxwell's Cake, and guys, I hope you have learned a lot more than what he has said. If there's any takeaway for me is the small beginnings that Maxwell has had, starting from his brother's house, and the bold step of him quitting employment and moving to become self-employed. And I like his passion to customers, and I overheard him talking to a customer and how fast he is to respond to complaints and rectify them. I like his emphasis on quality as well, because I have attested to it. And one thing that I've noted about his business is the gradual growth that the business has had. It has not been an overnight success. Over 2 years, Maxwell has opened that training for cakes. He has been able to establish a name for his business. And I like his emphasis on passion as well. And one of the things that I've taken personally is the fact that he has prioritized his expenses towards expanding and growing his business. As we spoke in LTB, you find that most entrepreneurs, once they start getting money, they get to a comfort zone, which Maxwell has said is not in the comfort zone. And they spend the money to change their lifestyle rather than investing it in their business. So I hope that apart from what I've learned, please share on the comment below what you've learned through this interview. And we would like if you'd recommend us to your friends and other entrepreneurs. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mstari wa Mbele, for more videos like this. Hit the notification button so that you can get the next video. See you next month. Thank you very much.